Manipur women's body stages demo to protect state integrity. And Nagaland opposition party decries postponing meeting on Naga political issue. Hello, good afternoon. You are watching the news today at 1 p.m. I am Maria. Now the news in details. Poiday Laimarol upon Mamaya Paibi stage a sit-in protest to show their stand to defend the territorial integrity of Manipur at Khoyatong, Imphal today. The demonstration was staged in the backdrop of the development with regard to the peace process between the Government of India and NSCN-IM, which is likely to draw to a closure by October 31. Placards that read, "Give peace, not peace, save Manipur," were held by the protesters. They shouted slogans for a united Manipur at these crucial hours and demanded constitutional safeguard to the indigenous people of the state. It may be noted that the Government of India and NSCN-IM will hold extremely crucial talks on October 24 in New Delhi. The last talks were held on October 14. The NSCN-IM leaders said that the last talks were relatively cordial. The October 14 talks dwelled solely on the issue of flag and constitution of the Nagas.
Kuntra Matuski Manunda, Manipur Saktam Kaibaya Raiba, Wapanje, Akoyi, Iremdam, Asigi, Embele, Chief Minister Yauna, Dopam Toi, Natragadi, Akoi, Kayumba, Barosakana, Kayuma Machida, Tukaibaya, Manipur Saktam Kaibaya, Yaura Gadi, Akoi, Manipur civil organization, Kokobi, Gi Matungina, Akoi Akan Bakong, Sanction Nabeda Maktakoi, Nasisu Ima. Oregi imasing ilup singa ako'y ngasi Manipur da laiba ako'y oregi laimaron ilup kuding makaloy na akan matsaw kung jang-jang gani.
Nagaland leader of opposition T.R. Jaliang wrote to the Nagaland Legislative Assembly NLA Speaker Viko Oyosu notifying about the need for Joint Legislatures Forum JLF meeting on the Naga political issue. Terming it as most regrettable, Jaliang said that the members of the JLF were informed about a proposed meeting on October 4 at Rhododendron Hall, Chumukedima. However, the scheduled meeting was postponed and thereafter no further notice has been served till date. He questioned as to why the meeting has never been rescheduled, accusing the ruling bench of sidelining the opposition members on the issue. Jaliang highlighted that the JLF members unanimously constituted a Parliamentary Working Committee (PWC) comprising 32 members from both benches with the sole purpose of apprising central leaders for an early solution. In regard to the stand of the Union Government and the NSCN-IM on the issue of the flag and the Constitution, Jaliang requested the Speaker to call a JLF meeting at the earliest to initiate necessary action, saying that the JLF need to urgently facilitate in whatever way it can. Naga People's Front NPF's Manipur State Unit has expressed displeasure over the resolution adopted by an all-political party meeting last evening at CM Secretariat while discussing the Indo-Naga peace talks. In a press release, while mentioning about the meeting resolution regarding setting up of the 7-member drafting committee to draft a memorandum to be submitted to the center at the earliest, NPF said that the protection of the Manipur territorial integrity sent out as resolution by the Chief Minister was not deliberated. The party strongly objects the manipulation of the meeting resolution by the Chief Minister's office, it said. Chief Minister N. Birain led leaders of different civil society organizations at his Loang Sangbam residence yesterday. As per reports, the meeting discussed about the present development with regard to the Indo-Naga peace talks, for which a final solution is expected by the end of the current month. The meeting also deliberated on the possible negative outcome of the final peg and also measures to be taken off to counter the situation in the state. Let's take a short break, but coming up, drug peddlers arrested. Do stay tuned.
Prabhavati Handloom brings you special offers for Ningol Chakoba. Ningol Chakoba na lakpa sida makhal kayagi fi fanek fangbiragani. Laisabi, yumpalabi, ahal oiraba imasing na setpayaba, inbayaba, fizol kudingmak fangbiragani. Ngasimak lengsin birau Prabhavati Handloom, Moirangkhom Sawgaizam Lairak Machin, natraga aikoigi phone number 6909126615 natraga 700580023 da call tawirau. Prabhavati Handloom.
Welcome back. A team of Thoubal police assisted by volunteers of anti-drug associations Lilong arrested a drug user and 2 drug peddlers along with contraband items from Lilong area last night. As per police reports, the arrested drug user has been identified as Pusham Ali, aged 20 of Lilong Chingjao Mamang Lekay, while the 2 drug peddlers were identified as Pusham Salman Hussain, aged 27 of Lilong Dam Mathak and 22-year-old Kulakpam Sadif Khan of Lilong Chingkham Makha. Reportedly, 15,297 SP capsules, 99 bottles of illegal cough syrup and 12 grams of heroin were seized from their possession. A regular case has been registered at Lilong police station in this regard. On the other hand, another drug peddler named F.M. Akhtar Hussain, aged 35 of Lilong Harebi Mayay Lekay, managed to escape from the clutches of police as per reports. Acting on a tip-off, a combined team of Imphal East Commando and 6 Assam Rifles under the overall supervision of Imphal East Additional Superintendent of Police T.H. Krishna Tombi arrested an active cadre belonging to the proscribed pre-pack from Kuraining Taubung, Imphal East. The arrested has been identified as 42-year-old Irungbam Inaungcha Maitay, son of Gerani Maitay of Itham Mamang Lekay, Thoubal. Upon interrogation by cops, Inaungcha disclosed that he joined the outfit in 2019 through one Bembem of pre-pack. He was later handed over to Porompat police station for further legal action. A high-power transformer caught on fire this morning at around 10:25. According to a report, the electric transformer located at Sagolban Salam Lekay, Imphal, was suddenly burst into flame, causing panic among the residents. However, no one was injured in the incident. A transformer inside the Manipuri University, Kanchipur, also caught fire some days back. The public urged the concerned authority to take steps to avoid such incidents in future. Mayanglangjing Gram Panchayat conducted a special Gram Sabha at Mayanglangjing Community Hall yesterday. The Gram Panchayat was attended by MLA of Lamsang Assembly Constituency S. Razen. The Panchayat discussed various developmental works which are undertaken and which are to be taken up by the government.
Samaj amagi, state amagi, backbone se education life sinu oire ineba. Aduna ikoi ki naharon sing ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯖꯥꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯌꯨꯝꯕꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯛꯀꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯅꯍꯥꯔꯣꯜꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯕꯨ ꯄꯨꯍꯧꯒꯗꯕ ꯅꯍꯥꯔꯣꯜ ꯁꯦꯝꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯏꯗꯨꯀꯦꯁꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯉꯥꯜꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯑꯣꯏ꯫
Intensifying drive against intoxicants, the Development and Protection United Voluntary Organization DUVPO, Nambol and Nambol Apunbanupi Loop seized and destroyed over 200 liters of local made liquor yesterday at Nambol Bazaar. President of DUVPO, Nambol Tarem Kuman, appealed to the public to extend support to the organization in its effort to tackle substance abuse in the area.
Hariba khongjing asi khoi makhata na khoi sanction thigani loinana kunai si kandabya di haibagi mayonda khoi khongthang asi hogi yamna kanna sanction lai phongkya da khoina khungang khoi laikai da khoina sang chatpa matamda legai lediba club organization sing aduga maya pabi social sing asu akhona mangjongna na hanana akhoi si piduna khangan khaba adugi matungina khoina lakpa drive lakpa matamda mapung phana mateng pangmina duna akhoi khusamna duna hariba khongyang ase mai pangna mutang kunai si kanna bhona mina si.
Let's take a short break, but coming off, Mitei Jagoi workshop concluded.
Ningol Singi Akhanaba Kumhai Ningol Chakobana Lakpada, Dhamabati Emporium na, Lakliba October Kuntra Fawa Chada Kuntra discount Pizari, Akaknaba Matam Kaktagi Oina Pizaba discount ni, Nasimak Lengsin Birao, Dhamabati Emporium, Gari Makhalekai near Pakang Buford, contact number 7085 186 485 Natraga, 7005 946 6596.
Welcome back. A workshop on Mitei traditional dance organized by Srimanta Sankardev Christi Vikas Kendra, Hojai Civil District Headquarters, Sankardev Nagar and Manipur Kala Christi Kendra No. 1, People Pukri, Lanka concluded yesterday. 52 students took part in the workshop, which began on October 16. Oja Seram Nandakumar Mitei was the resource person at the workshop. Sagapam Bir Chandra, Wangjing Tomtin and Kumok Mayum Niva Devi also attended the workshop and trained the students different dance forms like Laisem Jagoi, Thoivi Jagoi, Maibi Jagoi. The participants will perform on November 1 and certificates of participation will be distributed on the same day. Arunachal Pradesh Chief Minister Pema Khandu formally inaugurated the Jarvom Gamlin Government Law College at Jot, named after the late former Chief Minister. He was accompanied by Speaker of the State Legislative Assembly P.D. Sona, Education Minister Tava Tedir, local legislator of 14 Doimuk Assembly Constituency Tanahali, former minister and local leader Nabam Revia, and HODs and officials of the district administration. Former Minister Jarkar Gamlin and former Arunachal Pradesh Women Commission Chairperson Jarjum Gamlin Ite were present on behalf of the family of the late leader. Later, the Chief Minister addressed a public gathering at Vassarnello, 31 kilometers from the state capital. NASA has found no evidence of Chandrayaan-2's Vikram lander in the image captured during a last flyby of its moon orbiter of the lunar region, where India's ambitious mission attempted a soft landing, according to media reports. On September 7, India's Space Research Organization ISRO attempted a soft landing of Vikram on the uncharted lunar South Pole before losing communication with the lander. The Lunar Reconnaissance orbiter imaged the area of the targeted Chandrayaan-2 Vikram landing site on October 14, but did not observe any evidence of the lander. Vikram attempted landing on a small patch of lunar highland smooth plains between Simpelius and Manginus C craters before losing communication with ISRO. Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg is again appearing before Congress to face questions about his company's massive market power, privacy lapses, and tolerance of speech deemed false or hateful. According to media reports, Zuckerberg has been summoned to testify at a hearing on Today by the House Financial Services Committee on Facebook's plan to create a global digital currency, which has stirred opposition from lawmakers and regulators in the US and Europe. But the full range of the policies and conduct of the social media giant with nearly 2.5 billion users will be under the public glare. Turkey and Russia have agreed what they call a historic deal aimed at keeping Kurdish forces away from the Syria border with Turkey. Turkey this month launched an offensive to drive out the Kurdish forces from their southern frontier and create a buffer zone. Russia is an ally of Syria's Bashar al-Assad and has raised concern about foreign interference in Syria. Turkey and Russia will now conduct joint patrols on the border. The deal comes after the US announced a sudden and unexpected withdrawal, and analysts see cement in the region. For Turkey, it means control over areas gained at the expense of the Kurds, forces alongside Syria's will oversee the rest of the border. After the deal was announced, Turkey said there was no need to relaunch
very significant development.
This fire, as Kurdish fighters had withdrawn from the Turkish safe zone. Now let's have the sports news. Sourav Ganguly, former Indian captain, took over as the president of Board of Control for Cricket in India (BCCI) today. Ganguly is the first Indian cricketer after the Maharaja of Vijayanagaram to become the president of Board of Control for Cricket in India (BCCI). Ganguly, however, will be able to serve as BCCI president only up to September 2020. As he is currently the president of Cricket Association of Bengal (CAB) and will have to go into a compulsory cooling off period. Ganguly took over as CAB president in 2015 following the death of his administrative mentor Jagmohan Dalmia. The 47-year-old Ganguly said that he wants to emulate Dalmia's success at the role. FC Goa will look to go one better and win the title this time as they begin their 2019-2020 Indian Super League ISL campaign against Chennai FC at the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium in Panaji today. As per reports, last year's runner-up Goa will aim to start the new season on a winning note against a club that finished rock bottom in the ISL last time round. Interestingly, both managers Sergio Lovera and John Gregory are into their third seasons with FC Goa and Chennai respectively. As expected, FC Goa have an aura of stability around them, with most of their key players, international and domestic, staying with them. Now let's have the newspaper headlines.
Disangai Express, Naga People's Front attends crucial meeting but negates resolution plan. All parties meet resolves to protect state's integrity. Kokomi lines up state-wide alert meetings. Center unlikely to stay in trust back. From 2021, no Assam government jobs for those with more than 2 children. The People's Chronicle. All party meet on Naga issue resolves to meet central leaders. CSO's leaders urged to join Delhi trip. Kokomi urges public to hold alert meetings. Minister of State ready reviews security. DGP proposes reinforcement. Imphal Free Press. No compromise on state's integrity resolves all party meet. Government of India adopts insincere approach on peace talks. NSNIM. MP Ranjan mulls land reforms in state. MMWO extends solidarity to Kokomi. Kokomi pushes for locality meetings on Naga peace talks. State Congress holds urgent meeting. The Morning Bell. All political party meet resolves to protect territorial integrity of state. NPF says not such resolution taken. Kokomi appeals for widespread alert meetings till October 31. Chief Minister Biran, Union Minister Kishan Reddy review security. 2 girl students injured in road mishap. Awareness seminar on cybercrime held at Modbung.
Now the top stories once again. Manipur women's body stages demo to protect state integrity. Nagaland opposition party decries postponing meeting on Naga political issue. That's all for today. Keep watching Times of Manipur.